Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace to be able to sell items you want to get rid of. Some of you have asked for a quick tutorial on how to set up a Facebook Marketplace sales page so you can get rid of some items, whether it's from your own personal things that you don't want to use anymore, or whether it's for a business page on Facebook or in general. So if you're new here, please stick around till the end because I'm going to go through a detailed description of how you can do Facebook Marketplace to sell your items. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe so you can stay updated to the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, find it helpful. Let's get to it. Alright, so now we're on Facebook. As you can see here, there's a nice little setup of things on the screen for Facebook Marketplace. First thing you're going to notice when you come up to the marketplace is you've got a big long list of things on the left. You've got listings that are posted on the right. And if you've never used Facebook Marketplace before, you can find it in your top row. You've got the home button, your pages button, videos, marketplace, and then groups. It's the first to last tab out of the 5 on the top of your page. Now, we want to make a listing for selling items, which is over in the left hand side of your screen. Zoom in here. As you can see, you've got browse all for all the listings that are available, live shopping for live sales on Facebook, notifications, inbox, cart, your account, and then lastly, you've got the create new listing. And then if you're just searching, you can go into the filters, designate a city and state and how many miles. And then you have different categories that you can look in as well. And these are vehicles, property, rentals, apparel, classifieds, electronics, entertainment, family items, free stuff, garden and outdoor, hobbies, home goods, home improvement supplies, home sales, and musical instruments. We're going to scroll up here and we're going to do create a listing. When you get into the listings area, you're going to see on the left hand side your listings and seller help, and then you've got in the center of your screen items for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale or rent, as well as job openings. For this demonstration, we're going to click on item for sale. When you get in here, you've got 3 sections. On the left, you have the section where you're going to enter the information, who it's viewable to, photos, and all that good stuff. In the center is going to be a preview of that listing, and then on the right is the rest of it for the preview, so you can see the exact details and description and so forth. All right, so for this demonstration, we're going to upload a photo. And we're going to use a picture of Facebook Marketplace just to make it easy. We're going to put, for a title, demo of Facebook Marketplace listing. We're going to put a price of $1, just for an example. And then we're going to go to the categories list, which is right underneath the amount. And we're going to put this underneath miscellaneous. We're going to do condition as come on, computer, used fair, just because we're on Facebook Marketplace. So technically it is used and in fair condition. For description, I'm just going to put in doing a demo of how to use Facebook Marketplace. Item will be removed after listed. Thank you for checking it out. All right, and we're going to come down here to product tags, which is optional. And you have a SKU, which would be the product number if it has one. And then you've got your boost listing after you publish, hide from friends, and then some general guidelines here from Facebook Marketplace. Items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items like animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on Marketplace. See commerce policies. And then you can see the pictures that I listed here in the center. And then on the far right, you can see the actual description of what I'm doing. You can see demo of Facebook Marketplace listings, $1. Listed anew a few seconds ago. Details, as I've showed a moment ago. And it's good to go. And then on the lower left-hand corner, underneath the little about section, you have a next button, which then allows you to go to the next option, which is your location listing for delivery method, if you're going to let it have shipping options and so on. So you can select the city that you have it in, and then you can do local pickup only, where you have your shipping options. As you can see here, new offer shipping. Now you can offer shipping in addition to local pickup. And then you can click on set up shipping or how it works. And then underneath that, you have previous if you want to go back and make any changes. And then next, we're just going to leave it how it is right now for it being listed in Moline as well as the local pickup. We're going to click next, and then it will pull up another option to where you can actually list it in any of your groups that allow selling. I'm not going to list in any group, so I'm going to click next, and it asks if you want to boost your new listing, and I'm going to click close because I do not want to boost it. And there you go. Brand new listing, and you're good to go for selling your item. It will also show you on your listing that you can still boost it after it's published, mark as sold, and share. That way you can put it out on other social media or on other groups. If you have any questions, by all means, feel free to comment below or join me in our live Q&A on Monday afternoons, where I will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Now, you can either go in and actually mark as sold if you've sold the item, or if you just want to get rid of the item, you could click on the little three dots underneath. It pulls up a little menu of renew in 7 days, mark as pending, view listing, list in more places, edit listing, and delete listing. As this was just a demo, I am going to click delete listing. Now it will come up with a confirmation where you can cancel or delete, and we're going to click delete. Then it's going to ask you whether or not you want to answer a few questions about, yes, you sold it on Facebook, yes, you sold it elsewhere, no, I haven't sold it, or I'd rather not say. I'm going to put I'd rather not say and click next. And now the listing is gone. If you have any listings that are potentially in violation, you'll notice on your listings tab that you'll have a section that says needs attention, and it will show you what the issue is there. As I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below in the comment section, or feel free to join us on Mondays at 3 p.m. Eastern Time for our usual live Q&A, where I'll be more than happy to answer your questions on this video or any of the previous videos. Would be awesome if you would join us in the Consultant CRÜE on Facebook, the small community of blind and visually impaired community members, as well as some sighted community members who support the channel, where we discuss different topics about general life, orientation and mobility, accessibility, and also the videos that will get created here on the channel to be able to help you. If you want to join an awesome community of content creators, check out the Creators Guild, which is hosted by Impartial Geek, aka David Foster. We've got a few hundred members in there of content creators of all types and all levels of experience. So head on over to the Creators Guild and join in the fun and conversations we have there. You can also learn from other content creators, different ways to do things, different tech that you can use or may want to avoid, some of the ways that you can improve on your content, and just enjoy chatting with fellow content creators. Thanks again for joining me today. It's greatly appreciated. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. And I hope to see you in one of our live streams. And thanks for watching. Until the next time, stay safe, enjoy that weather, and we'll see you soon.